let me talk to you about, a little bit about wrongful death and explain what these cases are. They're called wrongful death cases. And they fall in the category of any personal injury case. And the only thing that is different is that unfortunately, the person, the plaintiff, the person that was the victim of somebody else's wrongdoing dies. And that death is caused by the wrongdoing. So that is different, a little bit different only because of the severity of the injury, but how it's treated in Virginia law. So there's certain items or benefits available in a wrongful death case that are not necessarily available in a personal injury case that's of the victim who survives. It is also governed by who can recover in the wrongful death case. So there's a statute here in Virginia that delineates or lists who can recover and in what tier. It's called a tier, T-I-E-R, or certain levels of recoveries. So from spouse to children to brothers and sisters, et cetera, et cetera. So it kind of goes down the lineage of the person who passes away and who is able to recover. A little bit more complicated situation. The other complicating situation in a wrongful death case is making sure that the evidence is there to support the connection between the wrongdoing, should have never happened, the act that should have happened, or the omission, something should have happened but didn't happen, caused the death of the victim. So those are important things to look to. And then the last thing to consider is the qualification of the representative or the person that's going to be the name in the complaint or name in pursuing the wrongful death case. So it can be anybody, or usually it's a relative, but it has to be a person who qualifies with the court. So there's some little extra hoops and loops to go through to look after a wrongful death case. An experienced lawyer can explain all of these to you and explain the very important factor in wrongful death cases, and that the lawyer is going to be representing the estate of the person who passes away. Not necessarily not the beneficiaries, and not the person who is named as the representative. That's a very important distinction. So the lawyer looks after the best interests of the estate of the person who passes. So those are important considerations and factors to look to for a wrongful death case. If you need any help, answer any questions, or have any concerns, please call me, Bettina Altizer Law.